Hey there, it's Tankerl at Mobile Congress 2018 here with the NOA N1. This is the other new NOA phone, the lower end model. As you can see, it still has a full view or ultra widescreen 18:9 display here on the front. It's a 5.5-inch display, a 720 by 1440, just like its bigger cousin, the N7, but a smaller reduced size. Also packs a MediaTek processor this time, and a quad-core one. 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, so definitely coming down in terms of performance. But it does still have a dual camera system. This is a 13 megapixel camera complemented with a 5 megapixel, and you can see the fingerprint readers in the back. You still have that DTS audio that we saw on the N7, and so that's not a bad set of features. And then of course you've got another 5 megapixel camera here on the front above the display. So that's basically it. 3,000 milliamp hour battery, very mid-range specs, but a very nice looking phone for the money. And you can see there is a silver one right behind me there, and you can see it as a pretty sexy looking in silver with the blue one next to it. So definitely a phone to look out for if you're in Europe, and particularly in Croatia where this product is sold. And yeah, interesting stuff. Certainly the landscape of the low range is changing very quickly. So stay tuned for more videos here from Mobile Congress. Subscribe, of course, like the video, and don't forget to listen to the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Cheers, folks.